Hello students, here some questions are there. We solve this and again we'll move next concept. Okay. Question is, if n is any positive integer, then the value of I power 4n plus 1 minus I power 4n minus 1 divided by 2 equals. Okay. Now here solution. The options are 1, minus 1i and minus I. Yesterday we already discussed the power of I. The power of I power 4m plus 1 value. Okay. So I power 4m plus 1 value is I only. Okay. Like that we solve this one. Solution. I power 4n plus 1 minus I power 4n minus 1 divided by 2 is there. I power 4n plus 1 value is I, because I power 4n into I. You can write law of exponent. Okay. I power 4n value is 1 and I value is I only, minus this can be written as minus I power 4n, okay, into I power minus 1. We can write it is divided by minus I whole divided by 2. Okay. Next, I minus I power 4n is, this is the I power of multiple of 4, that is 1 divided by I divided by 2, which is equals to I minus ನಮಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ I ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು? ರೇಷನಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ multiplying divided by I, that is I divided by I square, multiplying divided by I divided by I square divided by 2, I minus I divided by I square is minus 1, I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, so therefore is I plus I equals to 2, so which is equals to 2I divided by 2, 2 to get cancel, the answer is I, option C. Okay. Okay, next question. The value of 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power 100 is equals to, whole power 100 is equals to, okay, ಇದು power of I then from ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then in the power of I formally ನಾವು reduce ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ? Solution. In the bracket 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I to the power 100. Okay, so you have to simplify this one. Inside the bracket we have to solve by rationalizing the denominator. That is 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I power 100. Okay, now 1 plus I whole square is there. 1 plus I whole square divided by 1 square minus I square power 100 equals to 1 plus I whole square. 1 plus I whole square. 1 square is 1 plus I square is minus 1 and 1 plus 2I divided by 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1, minus plus, that is 2 power 100. These two are cancelled, we get a 2 to cancel, I power 100. I power 100, how much will get? I power 100, whether the 100 is a multiple of 4 or not. Yes, it is a multiple of 4, therefore I power multiple of 4, that is I power 4 power 25. Okay, I power 1 is 1, 4 is 1, so therefore it is the value is 1. Okay, option is A. Okay, next one more simple question. I power 4 plus I power 9 plus I power 16 whole divided by 2 minus I power 8 plus I power 10 plus I cube equals to A plus IB, then A comma B is equals to, options there. Okay, now solution. When that I power 4 plus I power 9 plus I power 16 divided by 2 minus I power 8 plus I power 10 plus I power 3, okay, which is equals to A plus ib is there. Okay, we'll see after that one. I power 4 value is always 1. I power 4 value is 1 plus I power 9. I power 9. 9 4 the divided by this product we get a remainder square of the 1 by. Okay, 4 to the 8, then remaining 1. That is I power 4m plus 1 formal work. I power 4m plus 1. I power 4m into I means one remainder one is I work. Okay, that is plus I. Okay, plus I power 16. 16 is a multiple of 4. That is the value is also 1 divided by 2 minus I power 8. 8 is also multiple of 4. That is the value is 1 plus I power 10. I power 10 in the remainder 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 4 divided by I power 4m plus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I power 4m plus 2. I power 4m into I square. This is 1. I square is minus 1. So therefore it is again is a minus 1. Okay, plus I cube is, you already know this one, minus I. I cube is minus I. Okay, so next two, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus I divided by this 2 and these 2 are cancelled. Okay, minus I. Again nಮಗೆ denominator I ಬಂತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ numerator ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, how that one multiply and divided by I. 2 into plus I into I divided by minus I into I. That's equals to 2I plus I square divided by minus I square. Okay, now 2I I square is minus 1 divided by I square is minus 1 minus plus, that is 1. So therefore this can be written as minus 1 plus 2I. This is in the form of a plus ib, which is equals to a plus ib they given. Okay, equating the real part with and imaginary part, then you get a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 2. So therefore the order pair is minus 1 comma 2. Option B. Next question, the smallest integer n for which 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I power n equals to 1 is option 2, 4, 8 and 16. Solution, the smallest integer n for the power n here, the smallest integer value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I power n. Previous one question ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I power 100. Okay, power 100 value ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, rationalization denominator ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ I ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I power n equals to rationalization denominator into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. 1 plus I whole square divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. 1 minus I into 1 plus I is 1 square minus I square. 1 minus of minus 1, that is 2. Denominator like 2. Next idರಲ್ಲಿ 1 square minus plus I square, that is minus 1. 1 cancel plus 2I. 2 to get cancelled, then you get a I power n, which is equals to 1. Previous problem, just instead of 100 here n is there, so therefore I power n equals to 1. Okay, for what value of n will get 1. Okay, for what value of n will get a 1. I power what value will get integral multiple of 4. I power 4m equals to 1. Okay, I power 4m equals to 1. Okay, here I power 4 equals to 1, I power 8 equals to 1, I power 12 equals to 1, I power 16 equals to 1. All the values are 1. But out of this, which one is the minimum? 4 is the minimum. Okay, so therefore the minimum, the smallest integer n, ಎಲ್ಲ values 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I power 4m m. Okay, So therefore n value is 4. So therefore n equals to 4. The smallest integer is 4. I power 4 ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, I power 8 ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, I power 12 ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪವರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, the value of n is 4 only. Okay, option B. Okay, next question. Find real theta belongs to minus pi, open envelope, minus pi, comma pi, so that 3 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely real. Is purely real. Options are pi and pi, 0 and none. Okay. This 3 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely real, they say. Okay. Now, solution. Purely real antandre, that is imaginary part is 0. Yesterday only I told. Okay. Purely real means imaginary part is 0. Okay. Now, the given that 3 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta. Okay. First we have to convert this in the form of a plus ib. Okay. A plus ib. How? By rationalizing the denominator. Okay. 3 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta into 1 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 plus 2i sin theta. Okay, which is equals to, multiply this. Numerator 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into 2i sin theta 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta into 1 plus 2i sin theta plus 2i sin theta into 2i sin theta, that is 4i square sin theta. 4i square sin theta, I square is minus 1, minus 4 sin square theta, minus 4 sin square theta divided by, this is 1 minus 2i sin theta, 1 plus 2i sin theta. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, square minus b square, that is 1 square is 1. Okay, minus 2 square is 4, I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, that is sin square theta. Okay, then which is equals to 3 real part. Which is the real part? Real without I, 3 and this one, write it one side. 3 minus 4 sin square theta plus 6i plus 2i sin theta, that is 8i sin theta, 8i sin theta, I into 8 sin theta. Okay, divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay, we can write it in the form of a 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta plus I into 8 sin theta divided by 4 sin square 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay, now it is in the form of a plus ib. A plus ib, then it is purely real, they say. Okay, this is purely real means what? This part is equals to 0, this part is equals to 0. By using this you can find the value of theta. Okay, this value is equals to 0, so this is purely real, so therefore imaginary part of z is equals to 0, so therefore 8 sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta equals to 0. Okay, delta akade 0, so 8 sin theta equals to 0, 8 sin theta, 8 sin theta equals to 0, so therefore sin theta equals to 0, sin theta equals to 0 means theta equals to 0, theta equals to 0 and pi also, but in the given condition is the interval theta belongs to minus pi to open interval of minus pi to pi only. So therefore the theta value is 0 only. Okay, option C. Next two, these are some examples. Okay, and next to modulus and conjugate. Modulus and conjugate of complex number z. Okay, modulus and conjugate of complex number z. Okay, first modulus. What do you mean by modulus? Modulus is the non-negative quantity. The non-negative quantity. Let z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. Z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. The non-negative quantity, the root of a square plus b square. Root of a square plus b square is called the modulus of the complex number z. The modulus of complex number is denoted by modulus of z, which is equals to root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay, so it is the distance between the points a comma b. Okay, a comma b from the origin. Okay, ये distance formula लगा देते हैं. That is a root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A comma b with 0 comma 0. A minus b. So a minus 0 whole square plus b minus 0 whole square. We get a square plus b square. A square plus b square. It is a root of a square plus b square equals to the modulus of z. Okay. Now some properties are there. Some properties of the modulus. Okay. Here. Modulus of for z1, the complex numbers z1 and z2. The complex numbers z1 and z2. z1 plus z2. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than or equals to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. This is a triangular inequality. And again, modulus of z1 minus z2 is greater than or equals to modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. Okay, this is also a triangular inequality. And next to modulus of z1 into z2. Modulus of z1 into z2, which is equals to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Okay, it is modulus of z1 into z2 into so on up to zn is equals to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 and so on up to modulus of zn. This can this much we can write. Okay, next to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2 equals to modulus of whole modulus of z1 divided by z2 equals to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Okay. Okay. Modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2, and where z2 is not equals to 0. Okay. This is the modulus. And for example, how to find the modulus of z equals to a plus ib equals to modulus of z is root of a square plus b square. Here 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Z equals to 2 minus 3i is there. What is the modulus of z1? This one. That is modulus of z equals to under root of what is a here 2 and what is b minus 3. That is 2 square plus minus 3 whole square. That is 4 plus 9. That's equals to root of 13. Root of 13 is the modulus of this complex number. Z equals to 2i minus 2 minus 3i. Okay. Next to conjugate. This is about the modulus. And next to conjugate. the z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. Z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. Okay, then the conjugate of this one is denoted by z bar. Conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. Just the conjugate of z is equals to a minus ib. Just change the sign of the imaginary part. Okay, it will affect the only imaginary part. Okay, now real part ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ the imaginary part will change, sign will change. Okay, so z equals to a plus ib, complex number, that the conjugate of that z is z bar equals to a minus ib. Okay, that is the conjugate of the z. Okay, now here also the properties are there. First one, the example, z equals to 2 4 minus 4, so 4 plus 5i, 4 plus 5 or 4 plus I 5. Okay, this is z. What is the conjugate of this one? Z bar equals to, it ain't change agudilla 4. Okay, sign will change for only that imaginary part, that is minus 5i is the conjugate of this complex number. Okay, another one, z equals to minus 3 plus root 2i, minus 3 plus root 2i, that is z bar equals to, keep as it is. Okay, sign will change, root 2i is the conjugate of this z. Okay, next the properties. Z bar whole bar is equals to z. Z bar whole, conjugate of the conjugate is the z. Okay, next z1 for complex number, two complex numbers z1 and z2. Z1 plus z2 whole conjugate equals to z1 bar plus z2 bar. For n, z1 plus z2 plus z2 so on to zn whole bar is equals to z1 bar plus z2 bar plus on to zn bar. Okay, minus वाले same है, z1 bar, so z1 minus z2 whole bar equals to z1 bar minus z2 bar. Okay, next to z1 into z2 whole bar equals to z1 bar into z2 bar. Okay, z1 divided by z2 whole bar equals to z1 bar divided by z2 bar. Okay, and again z into z bar, z into z bar, which is equals to modulus of z square, because z equals to a plus ib, z equals to a plus ib, z bar equals to a minus ib. Z bar is the conjugate of this one, so therefore a minus ib. Z into z bar, z into z bar, that is a plus ib into a minus ib. A square minus b square, that is I square b square. I square is minus 1, that is a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A square plus b square is what? Which is equals to modulus of z whole square. Okay, only modulus of z is a root of a square plus b square. This is a square plus b square only. So therefore the square of the modulus, that is a square plus b square. Okay. Next, z plus z bar. What do you get? Z plus z bar. We have to add. If add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? These two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. Then 2a. Okay, that is 2 times of a real part of z. Real part of z. Z plus z bar. And z minus z bar. Z minus z bar equals to what? These two are cancelled. Okay, these two are cancelled. That is minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this one this becomes plus, okay, a plus ib minus a plus ib, okay, these two are cancelled, 2 times of I into b, 2 times of imaginary of I into image of z, I into imaginary part of z, okay. Okay, this is the modulus and conjugate of z. Next, multiplicative inverse of z. Multiplicative inverse. These are some important properties. Okay. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of z. Okay. Z equals to a plus ib. Z equals to a plus ib. Z is a complex number. Then the multiplicative inverse of z. Multiplicative inverse of z is equals to 1 by z. 1 by z. Because ಎರಡು ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. The value, what is the value of this one? What is the value of this one? 1 by z, that is 1 by z is a plus ib. Z is a plus ib. Okay, ನಮಗೆ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ i ಬೇಕು. Okay, ಅದು numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? That is rationalizing the denominator, a minus ib divided by a minus ib. Okay, this is a minus ib divided by a plus ib into a minus ib, that is a square minus I square b square, that is a minus ib divided by a square plus b square, because I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, okay, which is equals to a minus, okay, a minus ib divided by a square plus b square. A minus ib is what? A plus b, ib equals to z, z equals to a plus ib is there. So a minus ib is what? A minus ib is what? That is the conjugate of that one, z. That is the conjugate of z. Okay, z equals to a plus ib. A minus ib is the z bar of z. Okay, right. A square plus b square. We already discussed in the previous problem. A square plus b square is the square of the modulus function. Okay, the square of the modulus of the z. Okay, so therefore multiplicative inverse, z inverse is equals to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Okay, so find the one example. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 plus 3i. Z equals to 2 plus 3i ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 1 divided by 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i divided by 2 minus 3i ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Z inverse equals to Z conjugate of Z is 2 minus 3i and modulus of Z square. Modulus of Z square is a, that is 4. A square is 4 plus b square is 9. So therefore 2 minus 3i divided by 4 plus 9 is 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 2 by 13 minus 3i by 13. 3i by 13. Or it is 2 by 13 plus I into minus 3 by 13. This is the multiplicative inverse of the z equals to 2 plus 3i. Okay. In the next class, we'll discuss some examples about this one. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಪವರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3, ಐ ಪವರ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಪವರ್ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, 5 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 1338 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಐ ಪವರ್ 1338 ಇದು 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಐ ಪವರ್ 4m plus 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, I power 4m plus k. K is equals to 1, 2, 3 only. 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Okay, next ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2ನೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ I ಪವರ್ 4m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟು, ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 4 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು 4 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 36 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 I ಪವರ್ 36 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ I ಪವರ್ 4m ಇಂಟು I ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. I ಪವರ್ 4m is 1 into I square is minus 1 which is equals to minus 1 is the answer. Okay, 4 digit ಕೊಡಲಿ 5 digit ಕೊಡಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು digit ಕೊಡಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 4 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಸರಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.